This exercise is the double Clubbell iron cross. So we'll need 2 Clubbells for this exercise. Going to start in the order position. So your forearms are 90 degrees, elbows pinned to your side. We're going to reach back and let the Clubbells just kind of hang behind us. Your knuckles can touch together. So as you can see here, my knuckles are touching. You want to keep your elbows out as wide as you can with a proud chest. Take a big deep breath and then pull the Clubbells out into this side flag hold position. So your arms all the way out straight, about shoulder height. Your hands and shoulders should be in the same line. And then you're going to go from this position and reach back behind your back for 1 rep. So big deep breath. Side flag hold. And back. We'll do maybe 1 more. And done. So again, this exercise, great for the back of your shoulders, training in the frontal plane. Very unique exercise.